ng Cainta, Rizal, Rainiel Tulabi.
Baby, with the high heels on, give me fever like never ever known. You're just a product of loveliness. I like the groove of your walk, your talk, your dress. I feel your fever from miles around. I'll pick you up in my car, we'll face the town. Kiss me, baby, tell me twice that you're the one for me. Will you make me feel? You really turn me on. Knock me up on my feet. My lonely days are gone. Ooh. Salamat po.
Wow! Judges!
Alright! Nakakatuwa yung performance mo. Ginulat mo ako.
Ian.
First time ko nakita siya na nagsasayaw habang kumakanta as Michael Jackson. Galing ng performance.
Panalo din sumayaw, no? Tita Gina?
Nagtatalo kami. Sabi namin, sumayaw ba siya, kumanta ba siya? And then we remembered, ang kinanta niya Tagalog, nakabarong pa siya. Pero ngayon, ipinakita mo sa amin kung gaano ka versatile. Kumanta ka ng Michael Jackson, sumayaw ka, at ang boses mo, ang ganda-ganda. Congratulations!
Salamat po.
Thank you. Thank you, Rainiel.
Thank you.
Okay, next. Siya na ang Little Michael Jackson ng Caloocan City. Panoorin ninyo ang mga moves ng 8-year-old na si Justin June Leano.